Today we got a video from Strange Body Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Refused to Get Out of Car Meets a No-Nonsense Cop.
On March 5th, 2023, an officer spotted a Kia Forte driving with its high beams on. He initiated a seemingly routine traffic stop, but the driver refused to even roll her window down and cooperate. Little did he know, the situation was about to unfold in a way he never could have predicted.
Sergeant Brian Long, Police Department. You let your window down for me, please.
It's down.
You have just license, registration, proof of insurance.
Here you go.
You have your license, registration, proof of insurance.
I don't have that on me.
How much you have that on you?
Just go in my phone and grab it.
Okay.
Can you move your light, please?
I cannot. Unfortunately, it's a safety issue. Ms. Corvette, do me a favor, step out of the vehicle for me.
No, I'm gonna get you.
Okay, I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle for me, please.
Thank you.
Okay, well, you don't have that option, okay?
Yes, I do.
You do not.
Yes, I do.
Okay, if I'm asking you
I'm not gonna step out. Why did you pull me over?
That's wrong. You start me another unit. All right, I'm gonna ask you one more time, okay?
Sir, why did you pull me over?
You're gonna either step out of the vehicle, or I'm gonna go ahead and bust this window and pull you out of the vehicle.
Step out the vehicle or I'm gonna get you together. That's what he said. You heard him. He gonna get you together. You better act right. Act like you got some common sense, man.
What?
Okay, because I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle.
We're gonna go. Let me get my insurance.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna ask you one more time.
No, sir.
To step out of the vehicle for me.
Stayed where I was.
Nope.
Which was at Circle K or in front of my father's house.
Okay, do me a favor, step out of the vehicle for me.
No, sir, I don't see why.
Bust the window.
I feel comfortable in my car.
Okay, well, I'm not asking you anymore.
I'm getting my insurance.
I'm telling you to step out of the vehicle.
Please call another sergeant for me, please.
I am the sergeant on duty, so you can either step out of the vehicle.
So I'll just call 911.
If you call 911, you're going to go to jail for misuse of 911.
For what? You just
I'm telling you, if you call 911, you're going to go to jail.
I don't feel comfortable. I feel shaken right now.
Well, I don't know why.
Because you're asking me to pull over. You said you were going to break my window.
Yes, because I'm telling you to step out of the vehicle. I don't need to tell you why.
You feel shaken? Well, you're in luck. The officer is about to make you vibrate. Get the taser out, man. Stop asking her. You done asked her about 1,000,000 times. She ain't listening. Get her together.
That's a part of your duty.
It is not.
Yes, it is.
So you can go ahead and step out of the vehicle, or you're going to go to jail.
I'm so glad you have this on camera.
I 100% do. So
all of it.
So you can go ahead and step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to pull you out of the vehicle.
Let me call you Ezekiel.
Okay. You got one more opportunity to step out of the vehicle. I'm going to shatter your window and I'm going to pull you out. I'm telling you what's going to happen. So you can either step out of the vehicle.
All right, I'm getting out of the car.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Excuse me, can I get a second?
Step out of the vehicle now. Cool.
Can I close?
Nope, I'm told you, you've got that option. You're going to jail. I'm telling you now. That's what I got when refusing to open the window. Maybe you can step it up. 10-4, if Castleberry's got a unit close. I'm about to shatter your window, ma'am.
Woo! Get her together. Oh, now you want to open it, right?
Now.
Yeah, get her right.
Can I step out of the vehicle? Can you let me step out of the vehicle?
Get out of the vehicle. Pepper spray deployed.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my boy not playing.
Step out of the vehicle. Do it now. Do it now. Get out of the vehicle. Get on the ground.
I don't know what's up with these kids nowadays.
Do it now.
Stop.
Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. You're going to get tased.
You understand?
This is dumb. All for money. How do you... All for money.
Let me see. Excuse me.
That's the pepper.
Excuse me. Stand up. Excuse me.
We'll get it in a minute, dude. I'm gonna die and you're handcuffed up on.
Excuse me. Well, now you're going to jail. For resisting, obstruction.
Shit on here.
No, not worried about your glasses.
I am.
I don't care.
I don't care about anything for yourself. You got to go, what's everyone? Got one secured.
That pepper spray, no joke.
You can keep another unit coming. Can you have FD out as well? Have a seat. Just so you're aware, you're going to jail for resisting with violence, obstruction. No, I'm not giving you glasses right now. Okay, well, we'll take it up to the hospital. You got pepper spray anyway, so you go up there and get medical clear. Okay, so
I can't see.
Okay, we'll get him in a second. I'm telling you what you're going to jail for, okay? All you had to do was simply step out of the vehicle. I don't need to tell you why it's pulled you over, okay? So that's what you're going to jail for. All you had to do was simply step out of the vehicle. You probably would have got your ticket. You would have been on your way, okay?
Shut the door. There you go.
Hi, beans. What's going on? Got a pepper spray exposure to her, and then I think I sliced her finger, busting her window. I don't know where it's at, but that's why I need to clean. She's in the back of my car. She got pepper spray exposure. Needs to be rinsed out. I just need to clean this up just to make sure I ain't got no good gas from breaking the window. Okay. So.
We'll take care of you.
Yeah, she's over there in the back of my car. She got pepper spray exposure. I just need to clean this up to make sure I didn't gas my finger, busting the window out. Yeah. So the jail is finicky with that stuff. Like, even if you guys clear them on scene, they won't take it. They got to go to the hospital to get cleared.
Okay. What'd you guys pull her over for?
Driver to high beams, and she did one of those. I said, let your window down so I can get your ID. Nah. I said, all right, bud, step out of the car for me. Nah. I said, all right. I said, look, you got to just step out, or I'm going to pull you out. One of the way, you're either coming out of this vehicle one way or another. No, I'm going to call 911. I said, if you call 911, you're really going to go to jail at that point in time. No. She lets the window all the way up. I said, okay. I told my units come, and I shattered the window, but my ass flies through the windshield with it, or through the side window with it. And then she goes to like try to lock it again, and I pull it open, and I pull her. She kicks me, throws it back, throws the water in my face. I said, all right, I'm spraying you. I'm done with this. Spray her, then I threw her out of the car onto the ground there. So she would have just got probably a verbal warning for her high beams and on her way, but it's the route you choose. It's what happens, then I guess. So, So,
You gotta do it the hard way, I guess.
you know, make it harder than what it needs to be. So we appreciate it. Thank you.
The woman was charged with one singular count of resisting an officer without violence.
She looked like a nut job. You can't even tell that's a woman, like, in the video. Like, I mean, you can by her voice, but she looked like a dude. I ain't gonna lie. Straight nut job. Been watching too many TikTok videos. Think you could just do whatever you want to do. Just, okay. Because it's a catch-22. They always gonna spin it. If you don't want to roll the window all the way down, you don't have to, right? But you just setting yourself up for more things to come down the pipe. It's just a courtesy thing. Roll down the windows, have your information with you, hand it to the officer, boom, boom, boom. When you just want to crack the window, and just stick your little hand through to hand through your stuff, or, oh, you can't take my ID. All I gotta do is show it. So you just press it against the window still and all of that. It's just they're gonna end up having you step out the car. Safety issue. It's just gonna spiral out of control. So you might as well just, unless you got something to hide. Now you got something to hide. Now I can see why you acting like that. But if you ain't got nothing to hide and you just doing that for no reason, come on, man. And in all reality, it probably was gonna be a verbal warning, man. High beams, I ain't never seen nobody get no ticket for no high beams. Never. I've been pulled over for high beams before, and I ain't get no ticket. I ain't never said, hey, you talk to your friend, hey, I gotta go to court on Saturday. Or not Saturday, I gotta go to court on Tuesday. Oh, word, what'd you do? Oh man, the cop gave me a high beam ticket. You're like, what? You got a what? High beams? Nobody don't even get no ticket for that. But anyway, yeah, that officer got her together, man. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'll catch you in the next video.